Hi, this is Jay with Indialantic Fire Rescue. I'm here with Mark Lewis and Tightline Productions. They're giving us a little training class on flying our new Mavic Air Drone. We are going to use this for water rescue. Prior to launching the jet ski, we need to confirm or deny an actual victim. And so we would often get calls of someone visually seeing something about a mile, 500 meters maybe to a mile out. And prior to launching the jet ski, it would be nice to confirm that this is actually not turtles or floating debris, but it's actually someone in distress.
My name is Tom Flam. I'm the fire chief for the town of Indialantic. We're launching a drone project. We provide water rescue for the town, and a lot of times we launch the jet ski in response to somebody calling us saying that there's somebody in the water in distress. We utilize this drone to go out and determine if there is an issue, if there is an emergency prior to launching the jet ski. We can also use this drone to search the beach for lost or missing kids.
Tightline Productions was happy to be hosted by the Indialantic Fire Department. We are doing some drone training. We want to help them help the community. They're going to be using the drone to help find people, to help situations on the beach, to support the neighborhood, to support the people around here, just every little thing they can do to be a part of the community. And it's always fun to go fly drones. I like playing with the toys. Fun to get out of the office, fun to hang out with some cool guys, offer some upside down pineapple cake. It's just a great morning.